Ever feel like anxiety is weighing you down and you just can't shake it off? What if I told you that the secret weapon to combat anxiety is something as simple and enjoyable as laughter? Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're exploring the incredible power of laughter and how humor can help fight anxiety. Ready to turn your frown upside down? Let's dive in. 1. The science behind laughter. Laughter isn't just a spontaneous reaction to something funny. It's a powerful antidote to stress and anxiety. When you laugh, your brain releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. These endorphins promote an overall sense of well-being and can temporarily relieve pain. Laughter also reduces the level of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. It increases the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that plays a role in how we feel pleasure. This combination of effects can significantly lower anxiety levels and improve your mood. 2. Laughter as a physical workout. Did you know that laughing gives your body a mini workout? It stimulates your heart, lungs, and muscles and increases the oxygen intake, which enhances your cardiovascular health. A hearty laugh can leave your muscles relaxed for up to 45 minutes after. Here's a simple exercise. Try to laugh for a minute straight. It might feel forced at first, but you'll soon find yourself genuinely laughing, and your body will reap the benefits. This exercise can be particularly useful during stressful times when you need a quick and effective way to reduce tension. 3. Humor and mental health. Humor shifts your perspective, allowing you to see situations in a less threatening light. It gives you the ability to view challenges with a new perspective, making them seem less overwhelming. This shift in perception is crucial in reducing anxiety. When you find humor in a situation, you're engaging in cognitive reappraisal, a process that changes your emotional response to a stressor. By seeing the funny side of things, you're telling your brain that the situation isn't as dire as it seems, which can lower your anxiety levels. 4. Laughter and social interactions. Laughter is contagious. When you laugh with others, you create bonds and strengthen relationships. These social connections can provide support and reduce feelings of isolation and anxiety. Sharing a laugh fosters a sense of camaraderie and belonging. Engage in activities that make you laugh with friends and family. Watch a comedy show together, play a fun game, or simply reminisce about funny memories. The shared laughter will not only improve your mood but also reinforce your social bonds, which are essential for mental health. 5. Incorporating laughter into your daily routine. Here are some practical ways to bring more laughter into your life. 1. Watch comedy. Dedicate some time each day to watch a funny TV show, movie, or stand-up comedy. Laughter will come naturally when you expose yourself to humor regularly. 2. Read jokes and funny stories. Keep a book of jokes or funny stories handy. Reading a few pages before bed can end your day on a positive note. 3. Join a laughter yoga class. Laughter yoga combines laughter exercises with yoga breathing techniques. It's a great way to laugh and relax simultaneously. 4. Spend time with funny people. Surround yourself with friends who make you laugh. Their humor will rub off on you, and you'll find yourself laughing more often. 5. Laugh at yourself. Don't take yourself too seriously. Learn to laugh at your mistakes and imperfections. It's a healthy way to keep anxiety at bay. 6. Using humor to combat anxiety in the moment. When anxiety hits, it can be hard to think of anything other than your worries. Here's how to use humor to combat anxiety on the spot. 1. Find something funny. Look for something that can make you laugh. A funny video, a meme, or a joke. Keep a collection of your favorite humorous content for such moments. 2. Recall a funny memory. Think about a hilarious incident from your past. Reliving that moment can quickly lighten your mood and reduce anxiety. 3. Use self-deprecating humor. Making light of your own situation can diminish its power over you. It's a way of telling yourself that you're bigger than your problems. 7. The role of positive humor. There are different types of humor, and not all of them are beneficial. Positive humor, which includes affiliative and self-enhancing humor, can help you cope with anxiety. Affiliative humor is about sharing laughter with others, while self-enhancing humor involves maintaining a humorous perspective on life's challenges. Avoid negative humor, such as aggressive or self-defeating humor, as it can increase stress and anxiety. Focus on humor that uplifts and connects you with others. 8. Creating a humor-friendly environment. Your environment can play a significant role in how often you laugh. Here's how to create a humor-friendly environment. 1. Decorate with humor. Put up funny posters, quotes, or memes around your home and workspace. These visual reminders can prompt you to smile and laugh throughout the day. 2. Humor in the workplace. Encourage a culture of humor at work. Share jokes or funny stories during meetings or breaks. A light-hearted work environment can reduce stress and increase productivity. 3. Humor in family life. Make humor a part of your family routine. Have a weekly family movie night featuring comedies or share funny stories over dinner. Laughter can strengthen family bonds and create a positive home atmosphere. 9. The long-term benefits of laughter. Incorporating more laughter into your life doesn't just provide immediate relief from anxiety, it also offers long-term benefits. Regular laughter can improve your immune system, reduce pain, and increase personal satisfaction. It fosters resilience, making you better equipped to handle life's challenges. By making laughter a regular part of your routine, you can build a buffer against stress and anxiety. It's a simple, enjoyable way to enhance your overall well-being. 10. Start a laughter journal. A laughter journal is a fun way to keep track of things that make you laugh. Here's how to start one. 1. Daily entries. Each day, write down at least one thing that made you laugh. It could be a funny conversation, a joke you heard, or something silly you saw. 2. Reflection. At the end of the week, read through your entries. Reflecting on these moments can lift your spirits and remind you of the joy in your life. 3. Share with others. Share your favorite entries with friends or family. This can spread the laughter and strengthen your connections with others. 11. Engage in humor therapy. Humor therapy involves the use of humor to promote overall health and wellness. It can be done individually or in groups and is often facilitated by a therapist. Here's what it involves. 1. Laughter exercises. These exercises are designed to induce laughter, even if it starts off as fake. The body can't tell the difference, and you'll still get the benefits. 2. Humor activities. Engage in activities that involve humor, such as watching comedy clips or playing humorous games. 3. Discussion and reflection. Discussing how humor affects your mood and anxiety can provide insights and reinforce its positive effects. 12. The therapeutic benefits of laughter. Laughter has numerous therapeutic benefits that extend beyond just reducing anxiety. It can improve your mental and emotional health in the following ways. 1. Improve mood. Regular laughter can help improve your overall mood and combat feelings of depression and loneliness. 2. Increased resilience. Laughter helps build resilience, making it easier to cope with difficult situations and bounce back from setbacks. 3. Better relationships. Sharing laughter with others can strengthen your relationships, create a sense of intimacy, and improve social interactions. With these insights into the power of laughter, you'll be better equipped to handle stress and anxiety in a fun and positive way. Remember, laughter is a natural and accessible tool that you can use anytime, anywhere. Let's embrace the joy of laughter and improve our mental health together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life.